Did you know that businesses offering reoccurring payments can increase customer retention by up to 30%? Imagine steady, predictable income without chasing down payments every month. You're wondering how to set up reoccurring payments for your business. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to show you exactly how you can get started. Whether you're running a subscription service, a gym, or any business that bills regularly, understanding how to set up reoccurring payments can make a world of a difference. Let's break down how. First things first, what exactly are reoccurring payments? Essentially, these are automatic payments set up by the customer via credit, debit, or echecks that authorize a business to charge them on a regular basis. Whether weekly, monthly, or annually, this setup is super convenient for both businesses and customers. Think of it as a set it and forget it type of arrangement. Once it's set up, you won't have to worry about chasing down payments, and your customers won't worry about forgetting to pay. Now, why should you care about recurring payments? Well, there's several benefits. For starters, it provides a consistent cash flow for your business. You can predict your revenue more accurately, which helps with budgeting and planning. Plus, it enhances customer retention. Once customers are subscribed or signed up, they're more likely to stick around. And let's not forget, it reduces the manual effort involved in billing, saving you time for more high-level tasks. So, what type of businesses typically use reoccurring payments? The answer is quite a few. Subscription services like streaming platforms, meal kits, and software companies rely heavily on reoccurring billing. But it doesn't stop there. Gyms, membership clubs, and even some utility providers use this model to streamline their payment processes. Basically, if your business involves ongoing service or product delivery, reoccurring payments could be a major game changer. Okay, now let's get into the how of it all. How do you set up reoccurring payments for your business? The first step is choosing a payment processor that supports this model. At Payment Cloud, we specialize in helping businesses, especially those in high-risk industries, set up reliable and secure reoccurring payment systems. Once you've selected the processor and your merchant account is approved, your account will be connected to the payment gateway, allowing your website to integrate with a third-party software like accounting, CRM, and billing. This might sound technical, but with the right support, it's pretty straightforward. After integration, you'll need to set up your billing intervals. How often do you want to charge your customers? Finally, make sure you have a clear communication strategy in place, letting your customers know how and when they'll be billed. To wrap up, let's talk about some best practices for managing reoccurring payments. First, transparency is key. Always inform your customers about billing cycles, any additional fees, and how they can update or cancel their payment methods. Second, keep your payment data secure. Using a PCI-compliant processor is a must. You'll also need to be hooked up with the PCI-compliant gateway, allowing you to safely accept payments made, reoccurring or not. Lastly, monitor your accounts regularly to catch any issues early, whether it's expired cards or failed transactions. And there you have it, a complete guide to accepting reoccurring payments. Setting up this type of billing can streamline your operations and build stronger relationships with your customers. If you're ready to start, Payment Cloud is here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.